Hi, I'm Johanna with Herald Studio, located in downtown Phoenix, where you can have fun and learn how to make your own jewelry. And today I'm going to be talking to you about silver bezel jewelry tools. So silver bezel is something that's used to hold in a stone when you are wanting to set it. Some of the things you'll need when you're setting that stone are a ring clamp to hold the piece of jewelry that has the stone that you want to set it in. It keeps it stable, so while you're pushing the silver bezel over your piece, you can do it with the best stability. Then you can choose between one of these three tools or use a combination of them. This is a rocker used to push the bezel around the stone to hold it in. This is a burnisher, which you can use it to pull the metal around your stone. And then this is a pusher, which will push the bezel, the silver bezel around your stone. And then this is a Cratex wheel for when you've finished setting, you can use it to shine up the metal around. It may have gone into the metal. Thanks for watching Silver Bezel Jewelry Tools. I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio, and to find out more about me or the studio, you can visit my bio. Thank you.